Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Buchi here. You're welcome to Buchi's TV. So in today's video, we'll be talking about the best investment you should do, how to invest in insurance stock, the best insurance stocks to invest in. So basically, I choose three types of investment that I value the most. One is investing in business, the second one is investing in real estate, while the third one is what we'll be treating in this video, investing in insurance. Okay, what is insurance stock to start with? So insurance stocks represent companies whose job is to provide insurance for individuals and businesses. One of the most obvious revenue streams for insurance companies is through selling of insurance policies to collect regular premiums from the customers. Many insurance companies would make more in premium than they would pay out as claim. A concept called underwriting profit. Okay, so this is basically what it is. Another big revenue stream for most insurance company is the profits they receive from investing the premium collected from customers. That's the premium they collect from their customers on regular. They invest it. Most insurance companies would keep their customers' premium invested in safe product. That's they reinvest what they collect from their customers in safe products such as bond, like Euro bond or something like that, in case a claim ever need to be paid out. The money insurance company invest in market is known as float. Anyway, let's not talk about this one. And that's basically what it is. So you can start your investment journey. You can start investing in stock market in this platform. That's why I use this platform, Admiral Market. So you can start your investment platform in this Admiral. So how to start investing in insurance stocks? You have over 3,000 insurance stocks to invest in. So to start, you need to create accounts with this company, with this site, this Admiral. Okay, let me take it so you can see this Admiral. Okay, this Admiral you see floating here. You just create account with them. Like if you see in the left corner, in the right corner, I say open a live account or open a demo account. This demo account, you can use it to practice before you can actually add an actual money in it. Okay, so let me walk you through how to do it. So you have to start by creating an account. So after creating your account, to invest in insurance company stock, just follow the steps below. First, you need to open your MetaTrader 5 trading platform, MetaTrader 5 trading platform provided by Admiral. What I just told you now. Start your free download here. You can just come to this website and download it. Download the software. Then from the option on the top of the platform, select view and market watch. Okay, then in the window, right click and select symbols. Here you can search from over 3,000 instruments available to trade via Admiral. Once you've chosen your stock, press OK and add it to your market watch list. Okay, to preview a live price chart of the stock, drag the name from the market watch window onto the chart. That is, drag the name from the market watch window onto the chart. Okay, so to open a trading ticket, right click on the chart and select trading, and then new order. A trading ticket will open up for you to input your own entry. Okay, stop loss and take profit. That's the stop loss and take profit. If you are trading on other platform like Binance, or Forex, you should be used to it by now. So the stop loss or take profit, as well as your position size. Okay, and the diagram, the image here is just what it looks like. Okay, so now there are varieties. There are many companies I will recommend to you that you can use, that you can invest in. The first one is this one, Berkshire Hathaway. Okay, this is considered the largest insurance company in the world, but the business also has a lot of other interests, as it is the investment vehicle of choice for legendary investors. Warren Buffett. The company holds stakes in well-known companies such as Apple, Coca-Cola, Bank of America, American Express, and many more. Okay. I don't want this video to be pretty long, so that's basically what it is. And let's head over to the second one. So the second one is United Health. United Health was founded in 1977 and is now one of the largest health insurance in the United States. Okay, in 2020, revenue was more than 257 billion with the company. So this is a right choice to invest in, serving more than 70 million people from its 350,000 employees. The company has been an industry leader for decades, for many years, and is part of the Dow Jones 30 indexed. Okay. You can as well, more interesting United Health could be considered. Let's go to the next one. I don't mean to go on deeper. So number 3 is Allianz. Allianz is a European financial service company headquartered in Munich, Germany. The company's core business is insurance and asset management, making it fourth largest insurance issuer. Okay, fourth largest issuer in the world. In 2020, total revenue exceeded 140 billion. This is huge. Okay, I think this is a very right choice for you guys to invest in as well. The company serves more than 100 million customers in more than 70 countries, providing property and casualty insurance, health and life insurance, business insurance. They also have an asset management division. Okay, let's go to the number 4, fourth one. So the fourth one I will recommend to you is Prudential. Okay, Prudential is a British-based multinational insurance company. This is headquartered in London, England. The company was founded in 1848. It's been a very long time. They are pioneers in this business. They have been long in the business and has recorded a total revenue of more than 55 billion in 2020. Prudential has multiple listings of its shares, which trade on the London Stock Exchange, Hong Kong Stock Exchange, and New York Stock Exchange. Many European issuers are currently going through a rating as dividend payments normalized after coronavirus pandemic because it affected them hugely. Many investment banks such as the Deutsche Bank believe there's much further to go in the recovery of the sector. Okay. The fifth one, which is probably the last one I'll recommend in this video, because this video is getting more longer than I expect. So the fifth one is Anthem. Yeah, Anthem is the largest for-profit managed healthcare company in the United States and is also the fifth largest issuer in the world based on market capitalization. Early revenue exceeded 100 billion as the company serviced more than 40 million members. The company has made some big changes in recent months, which has attracted interest from many large institute investors. Anthem overhauled its leadership with a new chief health officer, executive vice president, and legal officer. It also expands its operation by acquiring InnovaCare Health LP. Revenue net com. Okay. Their revenue net com and earning per share has all been growing over the past 3 years, suggesting the company is moving in the right direction. Alright,